In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix App Store missing on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first thing we need to do is to make sure whether or not the App Store is installed on our iPhone. To do that, we just need to swipe down just like that. That will bring up search, and here at the search box we just need to type in App Store, just like that. As you can see, App Store app icon has been already appeared here, and it means that we've just accidentally removed App Store app icon from the home screen, and now we can just in that way drag it and place anywhere at our home screen. Once it is done, just hit add done, and then you can open it up and use it as before. However, if you cannot find it via search, it means that App Store app is currently restricted, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily fix that. So guys, first off, we need to head over to settings. On settings, tap add screen time. Down below, tap add content and privacy restrictions. If content and privacy restrictions protected with the passcode, it will ask you to enter it first. And once you are at that page, then tap right here at iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure that installing apps option is set to allow. If it is set to don't allow, it won't allow you to use App Store, and it even won't show App Store icon at the home screen, in the search, and in the app library. So just switch it to allow, and then App Store app icon should appear at the search in the app library, and then you will be able to find it in that way, and then just drag it to your home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.